Here we have the historic Cornwall Iron Furnace. Really neat place that you can come to visit. Here's some of the cool stuff. They have the one major sign out here where they talk about the iron furnace. They made cannons and cannonballs here at the time of the Revolutionary War. And then you see some of the things like the roasting oven, the gatehouse, which is over at Cornwall Manor. There's the abattoir, it's where they would smoke the meats. Charcoal barn, the wagon shop, and the blacksmith shop. It was just a huge area, just all kinds of buildings that were so important to make a huge furnace like this function. History is out there, my friends.